stop wanking over me later, okay? Do not. I want the photos.
Well, good morning and welcome to my channel. Today I'm heading off to pick up Moist Decoy, our Sai, and we're gonna have a buzz on down to the NEC to have a look at Motorcyclelive. So this will be the first time in 20 years since I've been to a bike show. It's going to be a fantastic day. We're meeting Fasty Rides down there as well, and also Crazylegsonabike. So stay tuned for this. See you in a bit. We made it! We're at the bike show. So we're just waiting for the dropouts, Fasty Rides and Crazylegsonabike. They're going to be an hour late, so it's probably an hour and a half. But we're going to sit here. We're not going to go in without them. We're a team. So we're just sitting having a cup of tea before we go in. Alright? See you in a bit. Hello, mate.
Fasty Rides and my channel's better than his.
I agree. You alright, mate? How are you, buddy?
Alright, buddy.
Alright. You alright, mate? You had a bit of a morning.
I'm having a bit of a mare. Having a bit of a...
We're here now, eh?
Are they big enough?
As long as you're not going to be on A3, that's all I've got, paper lines.
Well, that's the bike show done and dusted, and I'm at the Fagan. Oh, starstruck.